Lawmakers are gearing up for another session in Olympia. Crime, public safety, and drugs are pressing issues on both sides of the aisle. Esther Bauer breaks down what some of our local representatives are bringing to the table.
Both Marcus Riccelli and Leonard Christian tell me they are bringing optimism and a desire to work across party lines this session. They may have different ideas on how to fix some of these issues, but no compromise is important to pass legislation and make meaningful change.
First and foremost, public safety is top of mind of all legislators, I believe.
We need more tools in the belt of the officers.
Curbing crime and keeping communities safe. These representatives say they're ready to work on those issues, whether that means giving police more power to pursue criminals.
We have to be able to allow our law enforcement to put a little teeth back in them and be able to stop folks when they know for a fact that these folks are committing crimes.
Or making sure there's enough other resources out there so police can go after people committing crimes.
We also need to make sure that our folks that are connecting with the criminal system because of behavioral health issues and substance abuse issues have access to the treatment and the counseling they need.
Lawmakers also know they need to fix drug possession laws.
Fentanyl is running ravaging our not only adults but young people. This is very scary, so I think we need to look at all of our laws on the books to make sure that we have a safe community.
I certainly believe that we need more tools in the belt of the officers and allowing it to be a felony, to be honest with you, for certain amounts.
Leonard Christian doesn't think the legislature would make drug possession a felony, but knows there needs to be a stricter enforcement to keep drugs off the street and save lives. Housing, homelessness, healthcare, and creating more jobs are also important issues for these local representatives.
The reality is we need to have programs in place to help people get better jobs and more housing options.
We also need to make sure that our working poor are protected. There's a lot of people that are just one paycheck away from being on the streets, and so we need to create more affordable housing.
Important topics on everyone's mind with a new session in Olympia on the horizon.
And something you will continue to see this session is the use of virtual testimony during hearings on bills. Riccelli notes this has been an important way to keep people connected and engaged with our democracy. Making your voice heard in this session is key to what we'll see passed in Olympia. Reporting in studio tonight, Esther Bauer, 4 News Now.